The banking system is designed to keep you in a cycle of earn and spend. They want you focused on monthly payments, interest rates, and consumer debt. But there is a group of people who have mastered wealth for thousands of years, not by following bank rules, but by following a code of discipline, community, and timing. It is called the 7-7-7 rule. This isn't just about math, it's about psychology and the stoic ability to delay gratification. If you feel like your money disappears as soon as it hits your account, you are playing the wrong game. Today, we reveal the blueprint that turns a worker into a builder. Rule 1. The 7% charity, the seed of abundance. The first 7 is the 7% rule of contribution. Most people think they will give back after they become rich. Jewish wisdom teaches the opposite. You become rich because you give. By setting aside 7% of every dollar you earn for charity or community support, you are training your brain to operate from a mindset of abundance, not scarcity. Psychologically, it breaks the poverty trap fear. It reminds you that you are a manager of resources, not just a hoarder of coins. If you can't manage a small amount, the universe will never trust you with a large one. Rule 2. The 7-year cycle, the law of release. The second 7 is the 7-year cycle, inspired by the Shemitah, or the year of release. In modern finance, this is your strategy for debt and radical resets. Banks want you in 30-year mortgages and forever loans. The 7-7-7 rule dictates that no debt should ever control your life for more than 7 years. Whether it's a business loan or a personal debt, you must have a plan to be released by the 7th year. Furthermore, every 7 years, you should perform a financial Shemitah, a total audit of your life where you cut out every subscription, every bad habit, and every toxic investment that is draining your energy. Reset to 0 so you can climb higher. Rule 3. The 7 streams of income, the wall of security. The third 7 is the most famous, the 7 streams of income. Solomon, the wisest and wealthiest king, wrote about dividing your portions into 7 or even 8 because you do not know what disaster may come. Relying on one job is a single point of failure. The rule is simple. You do not stop building until you have 7 distinct sources of revenue. This doesn't mean 7 jobs, it means 7 assets. Dividends, real estate, digital products, side businesses, and investments. When you have 7 streams, a storm in one area of the economy cannot drown you. You become financially unshakable. The Stoic Synergy, why it works. Why do banks hate this? Because it requires the one thing they can't sell you, discipline. To follow the 7-7-7 rule, you must be a Stoic. You must ignore the urge to buy the luxury car to impress people you don't like. You must have the savage focus to stick to your 7-year debt plan when everyone else is taking easy credit. This rule works because it forces you to think in decades, while the rest of the world is thinking in minutes. You are not just building a bank account, you are building a fortress for your family's future. Conclusion. Wealth is a game of patience and principles. The 7-7-7 rule has stood the test of time because it aligns with the laws of nature and human psychology. Stop being a victim of the system and start being the architect of your own empire. Move in silence, execute the rule, and stay stoic. Subscribe if you are ready to master your evolution.